Hi, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll see how to fix the HomePod setup failed 301014. So the first fix is check your Wi-Fi connection, open the Home app or your iPhone, iPad or Mac, tap or click the HomePod, then setup or the click the settings button, scroll down to the Wi-Fi network. The Wi-Fi signal strength indicator appears next to your network name. Fix number two is ensure the correct country or region. Go to the settings, your name, media, and purchases on your iOS device. Tap on view account and log in with your Apple ID. Select country region and check if they are set to the correct country or region. You will be asked to log in. After logging, select the country region. If you have any currently running subscriptions, it will tell you end them first. Then select the country you wish to switch. Pretend to read the terms and conditions, then tap on agree. Enter your new billing address and payment method. Save your changes and exit. Fix number three is set up your HomePod again. Make sure your iOS device is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the HomePod. Open the Home app on your iOS device. Tap the plus button in the upper right corner, then select the add accessory. Follow the on-screen instructions to set your HomePod. Fix number four is reset your HomePod. Unplug your HomePod from the power source. Wait for some 10 seconds. Then plug it back in. Wait for the white light on the top of the HomePod to turn orange. When the white light starts flashing, press and hold the top of the HomePod until you hear the three beeps. So this is how you can fix the HomePod setup failed. Okay, so I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to the YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.